We have a serious problem with rule of law in Spain. Corruption, abuse of power, weakening of institutions. This House and Commission can no longer stay silent. The escalating corruption scandal linked to the Spanish Prime Minister, his close relatives, his party and government are frankly speaking unacceptable, as are the attacks of the free press, law enforcement bodies, on judges and prosecutors investigating these scandals. If something like this would happen in my home country, Sweden, the Prime Minister would resign and call for elections. Please, Mr. Sanchez, Prime Minister, the fiesta is over. Thank you.